Hey! I'm endorsing a new cola, kids. And this one isn't poisonous to anybody.
That we know of.
New and improved Buzz Cola is made from only the finest sugars and waters. Plus, it has a special ingredient, too hot for the FDA. It'll give you the get up and go you need to do all the pathetic stuff you have to do. Try new improved Buzz Cola.
Cola. Must get Buzz Cola.
All right, player one, Homer. Use the directional button or left analog stick to move around.
Homie, somebody ate.
Sweet. Let's roll. Oh, I wanted a peanut. Just call me Air Homer. Hey, Apu, give me a cola and I need another bucket of ice cream with mini...
Congratulations, Homer. Mission complete. Go back home and talk to Mom to start the next mission.
Well, it's about time. Oh, I forgot my mission.
Homie, Lisa left for school without her science project.
Let's do this thing! Hey, I found my lost nachos. Eat my dust! Learn to drive, you dumbass.
Take that.
Jerk!
Thanks for bringing me my model of the day.
In your face!
Woohoo! The unlockers!
Leave me alone. I'm calibrating the protractors. Please, I'm busy installing asbestos right now.
I love to sit. Yeah, stretch the legs and the crotch. Walk? That wasn't part of the deal. Hello.
One, go!
He used the cheat code. Just a few more. I didn't do it.
This is worse than when Jub Jub ate my cat.
I'm so talented and good looking. Let's roll. Wow, I need a disco nap. I'm a lean, mean speed thingy.
Beat it, you bum!
So long, suckers!
Sad day.
Bart did it.
Guy, you're gonna buy a car?
Woohoo! You should be in Cannonball Run. Ouch! My bikini zone's chafing. I can sell this on the internet. Chest pains! Having chest pains!
Homer, go talk to Ned Flanders. He seems miffed. NPO.
I'm all in a dither, Homer. So many of my possessions have disappeared.
It's crashing time! What's next? Flanders cooler. I gave it to Barney. Move it! I am evil Homer. I am evil Homer.
What the heck were you?
Nothing lasts forever. You remember that? Ooh, the vibration's tickling my feet. Almost done. Now I need Flanders' stupid picture of his stupid family.
This is one.
Okay, last one. Now where did I leave Rod's stupid inhaler? Duh, on top of the dump truck. Gotta return this stuff before the cops find me sitting around talking to myself. Well, it's about time. Eat my dust! Flanders, look! I found your missing stuff! Oh, that was too easy.